Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best pearl couscous recipe ever. This was served up with some chicken cutlets. The link for that will also be in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. If you're already here, thank you for your support. Alright, these are the list of our ingredients. There is my washed couscous and the rest of the ingredients that we will need. So to a preheated pan, I added 3 tablespoons of oil, and then I go in with some red and white onions. You can use any onion of your choice. Alright, we are going to cook this for about 2 minutes on medium-low heat and stir consistently to prevent burning. Then we are going to add a little bit of salted butter, grated ginger and diced garlic, and we are going to cook this for an additional minute. Then we go in with our curry powder, or you can use turmeric, and we are going to cook this for an additional 2 minutes. Alright, and we are going to stir consistently. There I added some tomatoes, cilantro, and green onions. Continue to stir. Allow this to cook for an additional 2.5 minutes. Then I go in with some carrots and a little bit of parsley, and we are going to stir that. Cook this for about a minute. Then we are going to add our washed couscous. Alright, now make sure to stir this well. Add some chicken bouillon or any seasoning of your choice. Then I go in with some chicken stock I made myself, and here you want to adjust the seasoning to your taste and likeness. Then I go in with some coconut milk. This takes the couscous to a whole other level. Stir, add some green bell peppers, and we are going to stir. Make sure your heat is really low, guys, and then we are going to cover and steam. When it is nice and soft, after about 35 to 40 minutes, this is what it looks like. Absolutely amazing and delicious. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you again for spending the time with me today. Bye bye.